Hi everyone. I will now tell you how you can join my webinars using pre-conference call as a service. First of all, just type in your address bar freeconferencecall.com. You will see this home page. Now click on the online meetings. You are not going to host it, you are only going to join the meeting. So click on join meeting. It will ask you for the meeting ID. The meeting ID is Sachin86. So just type Sachin86 and click on submit. And this will take you to the webinar which I am hosting. You just put in your name. I'm just putting a dummy name and I'm putting a dummy email ID, dummy@email.com. You may not want to choose this because you're only joining, not hosting, and you will say join. And now if you see, the entire webinar will be open to you. Whatever I have shared on my screen, as you can see, it is going into a loop, will be visible to you, and you will be able to not only see my screen, but you'll also be able to hear what I am saying. Again, this is a very simple way of logging into free conference call for attending the webinars that we are going to be conducting for the WordPress training. The best thing about free conference call is they also have an Android app and they have an iOS app. All you need to do is get the app, install it on your mobile device or your tablet or your iPad, and you will be able to watch this webinar also through the tablet. But I believe that since there is some hands-on required, may not be for the first session, but thereafter you will definitely need to have a desktop to make things easier. Again, this is the way you log into pre-conference call, and it is a very easy way of getting into the system. Thank you everyone. If there are any questions, please feel free to ask me. Thank you.